Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, a little rainy tonight, so try to get out here between the raindrops and get the video done. I know Carol's waiting on me. First, a shout out to a good friend of mine, Jim. Yes, it is a convertible. So finish that piece. So lots of things going on. Let me get right to it. We still have a lot of events cooked up for April here. And coming up tomorrow, this is the day you see this video, is Friday, is we're heading down to Revs down in Naples. We're going to Spanky's for lunch, then heading over to Revs Institute to see some just amazing cars. If you're not on this tour, watch for the next tour assignment, and you got to come out and spend some time with us. Just going to be a remarkable afternoon of fun, fellowship, food, and seeing some just amazing cars. So looking forward to that. Anthony and Debbie set up the tour this year, so we really appreciate that. Looking forward to spending some time with them. When we look at the Saturday, April 13th, we have Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane. So Al's going to be up there, Keeble's going to be up there. It's going to be just a really cool event with everybody going on up there. So taking a peek at that, just a lot of things going on with this. April the 13th, Saturday, is we have Cars and Coffee. Kyle's taking care of that up in Lakeland. Last month, I think Kyle said we had 29 cars out. So we're looking like, can we break 30? It'd be awesome. I know he'll do a happy dance. Let's get 30 cars out for Cars and Coffee there in Lakeland. Just an amazing turnout. So Kyle, thanks for all your effort there. And then on, let's see, up in Southwood, this is This is John's event up in Tallahassee. So we have the Southwood Cars and Coffee Saturday, April 13th. See the that's a non-FSC event, but John's our area governor up there, so he heads that up. So check that out. We'll help him grow that event as well. A lot of cars come out to that one, so checking that out. On the 14th, Naples Cars and Coffee. New chef will be at the table on Sunday morning. This Sunday morning. So I know I'm going to be heading down, checking it out, saying hey to everybody. Really enjoy that. It's just a great turnout down in Naples. Thanks to John Costa and the folks at Germain BMW. We're at the Germain Southern store on Sunday morning, so come check us out there. Also on Sunday is the Meribeth put together the April Gainesville Cars and Coffee. So check that out. But she's just pulling out all kind of cool events up there in that Gainesville, Ocala Villages area. So Cars and Coffee on Sunday. In Gainesville with Meribeth. Go check that out as well. And then on the 20th, we come back to Fort Myers for the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee and just have a blast. That's always a good event. But let me tell you something new, and this is something that Meribeth is working on. The 2024 Festival of Speed at the Equestrian Center in Ocala, May 4th. If you're into the Kentucky Derby and all that kind of stuff, they put together I'm going to tell you, out of this world, spectacular event for that day. Big screen to watch the Kentucky Derby, but amazing cars on the platform there. Food, it's just amazing. I think it's on the RSVP list for this week. Look, I think Carol's probably got it set up. But thanks to Meribeth for helping arrange that and making us a part of it. It's the second time we've done this, and looking forward to that. So if you're into the equestrian side of the world, that's a great hookup. Hey Heidi, talking to you and Hope, equestrian hookup there. And speaking about Heidi, we want to thank Heidi and Justin for opening their home last week to the picnic up in their home. We had a bunch of folks out, just a great time. Did not know that I could play, what do you call that game that you throw the bean bag, whatever that is. Didn't know I could do that, but apparently I'm gifted. But I'm not signing up to be a pro just yet. But just a great turnout. Justin, the burgers were out of this world, fantastic. And I'm going to tell you, everybody brought food, different food in there. And Caryann, thank you. I love that dip that you bring with the Frito chips. That was just awesome. So great time with everybody there. So until then, let me say happy motoring. Lots going on. Come on out, have fun with us, and we'll see you soon now, y'all. Thanks. Bye.